guys, so we're fueling up. And we're heading out. We got a long trip, so we're ready to go. What's up, Gun Squad? We made it to Jackson, Mississippi. It was a 6-hour drive. My eyes are bloodshot because I just hauling all the way down here. So we made it to the hotel, and we're just gonna get some rest, and tomorrow morning we're gonna go pick up the Jeep. Alright, so we checked for bed bugs. We're good on that. We'll catch you in the morning. Alrighty guys, so we got a good rest. Now we're about to go get some breakfast downstairs, and we're gonna head to the auction.
Yeah, we've been best friends ever since. They live in Florida.
We are right now currently taking off the rear drive shaft, just to be safe. Alrighty guys, we got this Rubicon, we're picking it up. We just removed the rear drive shaft so we can haul it. It's got a hard top on it, pretty nice. We're probably gonna restore everything, make it brand new again. Probably gonna have to replace this frame. It looks like it has some good frame damage, and we gotta get a power steering box here, but we're gonna enjoy this build. Alrighty guys, so we just made it back, so we're gonna go over the damage here. We're gonna try to park it over there. Alright, so this whole tub is nice and straight, nice and smooth, no damage. Rear end is nice, got a hard top on it. It is an 03 Jeep TJ. I believe it's got a quick shifter on it, something like that, because the gears are a short shifter. So it's got leather interior. That seat is ripped there, so we're gonna probably get that fixed somewhere around town, but it's leather back there. It is a 5-speed. Definitely gonna replace this frame because it is pretty bad. It's kinked, and everything's pretty rusty. So pretty much what we're gonna do is gonna take the whole tub off the frame of the Jeep, and we're gonna probably just dismantle everything and pretty much just restore it, try to make it brand new again, paint the frame, paint the axles, undercoat the bottom of the tub, just clean everything up. Like stuff like that, it got slightly rusted from sitting out there, so we're gonna sand that down. We're gonna take care of that rust on the interior. Oh, another thing is the drive shaft. It did get it. This is a pretty nice drive shaft here. I believe it could be a Tom Woods or some sort of upgraded drive shaft. It's greasable here at the center, but okay, it does have a short throw shifter because the gears are super short, so that's a plus there. It's got 135,000 miles. Got cruise control, so that's pretty nice. Got a hard top in great condition. Probably gonna paint it blue, or we may just leave it black or paint it black, so not too sure on that yet. We're gonna do flat fender flares, flat fenders up front. Gonna pretty much just take the tub off the frame and just have at it. There is a lot of rust, but we're gonna get rid of this frame, so everything else is gonna get either sandblasted or probably just wire wheeled with a grinder or something like that. We got a Borla exhaust that's going on there because this exhaust is kind of crap. But this is a Rubicon 2003, so it does have the lockers. We're gonna get an aftermarket rear bumper, aftermarket circle tail lights. It's got a worn winch, so that's pretty neat. So we're gonna see if that works. We're probably gonna get a Stinger bumper for this thing, because I think they look really good, the Smitty built ones. And just a bunch of other stuff. Probably gonna do like the hood louver. Also, it does need a new windshield because this one did get cracked. So, but it does start, it does drive. You can see there's all the information there. We're probably gonna repaint the whole Jeep same color because we do like this color. It's like a nice hyper blue. So probably we're gonna start with giving this thing a good old-fashioned clean, pressure wash, and start looking for a frame. As soon as we find a frame for a TJ, we're gonna swap it out, probably do some painting, make it look brand new again, and just go from there. So if you're new to this channel, hit that like button and subscribe, and hit that notification button to see what's coming next, because we're gonna build this thing, we're gonna make it look brand new again, we're gonna fully restore it. So stay tuned, and if you have any suggestions, just drop that down below in the comments and let me know what you think.